Today I want you to shine your way, be the best version of you that you can ever be. You are awesome the way you are, but each day presents new opportunities to be better than how you used to be. You are an awesome woman and you give me so much joy. You leave me breathless and stunned with how you handle issues. You always turn situations around. You are my personal magician who always looks for ways to make me the best man I can ever be. I want you to be the woman you have always wanted to be. I would support your dreams and inspirations because they make you who you are. I love you. I need you and I miss you when you are not around. I feel incomplete when you are not present with me. You dispel my doubts and make me believe in love more than I ever thought was possible or dreamed I could. I don't know what I would do without my sweet guide. You are my flashlight when I am in the dark and the sweet candy that I can't get enough of. You are necessary and a compulsory part of me. You are all I need. There is no one else in this world for me but you. I am forever connected to you. Make sure you have a wonderful day. I am counting down to when I can see your lovely face. Good morning, my sweetheart. You are like a treasure buried deep in the earth, in which every area dug from the earth reveals a new discovery that leaves everyone spellbound. Every day I get to meet and spend with you reveals a much more amiable and charming lady than the day before. I have discovered something worth cherish with the whole of my life, and that is you. I can do anything as long as I have you in my heart. Your love fills my heart, and no one can ever take your place in my heart. My heart belongs to you. You are the captain of my heart. It always beats for only you. I am constantly captivated by my sweet and lovely sugar plum. I love you, baby, more than you would ever know. I was swimming in the ocean of the game when you look, when your hook of love picked me up and brought me to safety. on the ship of your love. We are connected in deserved ways. In your eyes I see my present and my future. My past seemed empty and bleak because it lacked the love of an awesome and dazzling woman like you. You are stronger than any other woman I know. I love than even in your imperfections. You are always find a way to make them appear perfect. I have never felt connected with anyone as much as I do with you. It's like we are one in thought, dreams, and goals. You make me a complete man. I am seems without your love. I totally love you, my darling. I am only one call away from you. I would be there whenever you need someone to stand with you, for you, and beside you. No one causes palpitations of my heart but you. It's like it beats the sound of the music that only you create. There is no one for me but you. I am blinded with your love for you. My love makes name see your flaws, but much more than that, it makes me see the beauty of your imperfections that are carefully woven to create a masterpiece of light and love so strong it weakens me. I don't know about you, but I can never get enough of you. I love you with a love that had only been reserved for you from the beginning of time.